it's coming over me. There is wonder in most everything that I see. Not a cloud in the sky, got the sun in my eyes, and I won't be surprised if it's a dream. Everything I want the world to be, it's now coming true, especially for me. And the reason is clear, it's because you are here. You're listening to heaven that I'm singing. I'm on the top of the world looking down on creation, and the only explanation I can find, it's the love that I found ever since you've been around. Your love's put me at the top of the world. Something in the wind has learned my name, and it's telling me the things are not the same. In the leaves of the trees and the touch of breeze, there's a place that sings of happiness for me. There is only one wish on my mind. When this day's through, I hope that I will find that tomorrow will be just the same